Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two amazing drones that we are going to compare: Holystone Hydrogen Sulfide and TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. We'll be looking at various categories to see which one comes out on top. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the price of these drones. The Holystone HS190 is available at an incredible value of $0, making it an absolute steal. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is priced at $249. It's important to consider your budget when making a purchase, so keep that in mind. Now let's move on to the features of these drones. The Holystone HS190 offers one-click takeoff landing function, making it extremely easy to control, especially for kids. It also has a 3D flips function that adds an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. Additionally, it has altitude hold, headless mode, and 3 speed modes, catering to different skill levels. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone boasts an ultra-clear 4K camera, ensuring stunning and vivid footage from a bird's-eye view. It also comes with powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries, providing stable and longer flights. The GPS module and optical flow positioning make it safer and more reliable, with additional features like automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and follow me. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The Holystone HS190 features propellers isolated by a protection guard, ensuring the safety of kids. It also has an emergency stop function, which immediately lands the drone to reduce the risk of damage or injury. Similarly, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers multiple safety features like emergency stop, smart return to home, and one-key return. With the GPS module and optical flow positioning, it provides extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, allowing you to fly farther and more stable. Now let's talk about portability. The Holystone HS190 is incredibly compact, with a size of 2.44*2.44*0.94. It can be easily folded into the controller, making it perfect to carry in your pocket or bag. It's a great option to take to parties, school, fishing trips, hiking, and more. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone also excels in portability with its intuitive and advanced foldable design. It even comes with a carrying case, giving you complete freedom to take it wherever you want to go. With a weight of less than 250 grams, it's as light as a can of Coke, making it an ideal travel companion. Based on online reviews, the Holystone HS190 is highly recommended for beginners, indoor flying, and performing tricks. It is praised for its ease of use, durability, and value for money. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is praised for its advanced features, including the 4K camera, stability, and safety measures. It is recommended for aerial photography and exploration. And there you have it, a comparison between the Holystone Hydrogen Sulfide and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Both drones offer unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.